Have you ever noticed how the world smells different when it rains? Come join Maya and her grandpa as they sniff out the mystery.
Grandpa, it smells like the ground is cooking something yummy.
That smell has a name, Maya. It's called Petrichor.
Petrichor? It sounds kind of dinosaur.
Not quite. It's the special smell the earth makes when it rains, especially after it's been dry for a long time.
But why doesn't the ground always smell like this?
Well, when it hasn't rained for a while, the ground collects tiny oils from plants and trees. And there's something else hiding down there too.
What?
A smell maker called Geosmin. Tiny bugs in the soil make it.
Geosmin? That sounds like a mix of geography and a smoothie.
It does, but it's real. Geosmin makes that earthy, fresh smell. And guess what? Your nose is super sensitive to it.
So when the rain hits the ground, it kind of wakes up the smells?
Exactly. The raindrops hit the soil, splash, and the smells rise into the air.
It smells so clean, like the earth just took a shower.
And put on its favorite perfume.
I wish I could bottle this smell and keep it forever.
You don't have to. Just remember it. Rain always brings it back.
Can we walk a little slower? I want to smell all the secrets.
Sure. Let's take the long way.
Sometimes the earth speaks to us in smells. All we have to do is breathe in and listen.